Hi, this is Mathea Ford with Renal Diet HQ, and today we're going to make this cashew chicken and broccoli stir fry. I've added rice to mine, but today we're going to make the sauce and the cashew chicken with broccoli. And spoiler alert, it's your new favorite dish. Hi, I'm Mathea Ford with Renal Diet HQ, and today we're going to make a delicious cashew chicken and broccoli stir fry. I want you to know that this is the most delicious low sodium sauce that I made for a stir fry, and I hope that you'll enjoy it. Let's talk about what we're going to use today. So it's chicken, broccoli, we have garlic and ground ginger, flour, sesame oil. For the sauce, we have low sodium soy sauce, we have balsamic vinegar, we have rice vinegar, we have some sesame oil and cornstarch, and then we have honey and garlic, and then a little bit of chicken broth. I know it seems like a lot of ingredients, but we're making it from scratch, so it's lower sodium, so it'll be delicious. Okay, let's make the sauce. All right, so for the cashew chicken, let's make the sauce. I'm going to add the soy sauce, the chicken broth, rice vinegar, sesame oil. Get every last little bit of that sesame oil. It's so good. The balsamic and the cornstarch. I like to use cornstarch because it thickens it up and makes it stick to the chicken a little. And then our garlic and honey. Okay, now I'm going to shake it up and mix it all together. So we shake it together for a few seconds, 30 seconds or so, just to make sure that it's well combined and it's ready to use. All right, now we're going to go over to the stove and start cooking. Okay, we're going to start by adding part of the sesame oil to the pan, letting that heat up a little bit. Then I'm going to add the diced chicken. And we're going to cook that for a little bit till it's done. And now we're going to add the rest of the flour, the rest of the sesame oil. All right, so now I've added the cashews and the garlic and the ginger. All right, so the last step is to add back the chicken and the sauce. And we're just gonna mix it all together so everything is blended and let that sauce thicken up a little bit. This smells so good. All right, let's give it a taste. Okay, so this is our cashew chicken stir fry, and it looks and it smells so good. I'm gonna serve it on rice. So rice is very kidney friendly. This is a serving for two. So you actually get a really decent portion, but it's not too high in protein, and it's low sodium. And it's, of course, delicious. So let's give it a try. I'm going to get a broccoli. I'm going to get some onion. I'm going to get a cashew. A little bit of rice. I taste the garlic. The broccoli is a little bit crisp, which is good. That chicken is good. This whole thing is good. You are going to love this.